Hi, my name is Dr. Greg Maguire. I'm co-founder and CEO of BioRegenerative Sciences, Incorporated in San Diego, California. BioRegenerative Sciences, that is BRS, is a privately owned stem cell therapeutics company. And we use a slightly different technology, probably from what you've heard about, and different from what other groups and other stem cell companies use to develop their therapeutics. Our core platform technology is called S²RM technology. And what that means is SRM, stem cell release molecules, are the molecules that adult stem cells release into the body to induce healing. Let me explain that for you. In the adult body, in pretty much all of the tissues where we've looked, are adult stem cells. The adult stem cells lie in the body. They're there all over, including your fat tissue. They're there lying dormant. They're these small, round cells with very low metabolic activity. And what happens when your body is diseased or traumatized, that damaged tissue emits a signal, and that signal turns on the adult stem cell so that the adult stem cell becomes activated. It actually homes in to the damaged tissue, becomes resident at that site, and then begins to release molecules, the SRM, the stem cell release molecules, into the damaged tissue. And those molecules from the stem cell orchestrate a healing response. So that is the basic technology that BRS uses. That is, in our laboratory, we use stem cells that we grow in a dish and that we stimulate to cause them to release their molecules, and then we use those molecules in a final formulation to develop our therapeutic products. Now, interestingly, as research progressed, and again, in the mid-1990s, I was injecting stem cells into the brain, into the eye, and looking for the healing response, and realizing it was the SRM. In some of my colleagues' laboratories, they began to realize through some very sophisticated research techniques that two or more stem cell types were actually coming into the damaged area. And so when I left the university and started a biotech company, what we centered on was developing the SRM and also developing the S²RM. That is, knowing that Mother Nature heals the body using two or more types of stem cells, we began to use that sort of technology in our laboratory to develop the S²RM. So two or more types of stem cells are used in the laboratory. They are grown, stimulated, and the molecules from the two or more stem cell types are then put into the final formulation to develop that therapeutic product. Now, depending on the product type that we're developing, there'll be different combinations of stem cells used to make those SRM, S²RM molecules. So that is the core of the technology. That technology, as I said, is utilized in different combinations of stem cells, so that currently BRS has 12 patent-pending products on the market and 16 more products in the pipeline. The S²RM platform technology can be utilized to institute many different types of healing responses, including a technology that we have to be used in the hospital setting. So currently under negotiation, BRS will be forming a stem cell-based hospital in California in the near future, based on a prototype hospital that we have in India. Another key to BRS's current operations are the announcement in December of 2011 that we were forming a joint venture in India, BRS India, to produce, test, register, and market and sell BRS therapeutic products based on the S²RM platform technology. So I've given you a little bit of a background about BRS and our technology, a little bit about our products. I will tell you in subsequent videos more about the technology, describe some of the products that we currently have, some of the products that are in development, and then tell you about the other exciting phase of our business, and that is developing our S²RM technology in the hospital setting so that patients can have stem cells removed and processed, and then the stem cells and the S²RM can be then applied to the patient to induce healing. And as we all know, the stem cell therapeutic arena is moving very fast. Here along the California Technology Corridor, you can witness many different types of stem cell therapies being developed, either as products or in the hospital setting. Here at UCSD, at Stanford, at UCLA, at a number of other institutions, University of California, San Francisco, and Berkeley, these new protocols are being developed to be able to treat patients. And as the technology progresses in the academic setting, you will see that BRS will be translating much of that academic research success in treating patients into products that we commercialize and bring to the marketplace. So I'll have more to say in the next week or two on my next